In a healthcare environment, the evolving nature of bacteria and their increasing resistance to antibiotics pose a threat to patients who are ill or recovering. With infection control the highest priority, our latest healthcare solutions at Armitage Shanks have been designed by working closely with infection control experts, microbiologists, doctors and nurses. In fact, we've gone into microscopic detail to help healthcare professionals break the chain of infection in clinical environments. Take the new Contour 21 Plus range. New innovations make it a powerful ally in the fight against infection. When water splashes out of standard hospital basins, it can splash onto surrounding floors and surfaces, potentially contaminating people and equipment. We found out that splashing is significantly reduced with the introduction of an innovative fin design, which we call HydroFin. Together with designers Goodwin Hartshorn, we created a new basin, Contour 21 Plus. Contour 21 Plus features the patented HydroFin design to significantly reduce splashing. In fact, Contour 21 Plus cuts splashing by over 90%, seriously reducing this vector for potential infection. Although ceramic surfaces are incredibly durable, a standard glaze can be surprisingly uneven, leaving pockets that can be a habitat for bacteria. With Contour 21 Plus, we've made basins even more hostile to pathogens using bacteria-inhibiting ionic silver with a far smoother glass-like surface that lasts the lifetime of the product. We call this SmartGuard Plus. All wash basins need traps, but if appliances aren't used regularly, there is a danger that negative pressure can suck water in the trap away from the basin into the waste pipe. This leaves no seal between the basin and the sewer and can lead to foul odors and airborne bacteria coming back into the basin. Contour 21 Plus's air admittance valve prevents pressure building up from breaking the water seal and stops foul air coming through the waste. It's the first time in the industry that this feature has been included as standard. When wastewater doesn't drain away properly, it's another potential source of still water where bacteria can breed. Contour 21 Plus features a new simplified waste assembly that allows water to drain away quickly and smoothly, taking debris and organic material with it. The Contour 21 Plus bowl has been redesigned to drain faster, reduce standing water and make it easier to clean and disinfect. With anti-splash technology, SmartGuard Plus and a redesigned trap and waste, Contour 21 Plus makes it harder than ever for sanitary ware to be a source of infection. Healthcare professionals can also be reassured that Contour 21 Plus is compliant with the latest regulations. In the last 10 years, Armitage Shanks has been the leading supplier of taps into the UK healthcare market. We've earned our place with consistent quality and innovations like BioGuard outlets and fully demountable mixers. Today, this attention to detail and innovation continues in the new Markwik 21 Plus range. Designed with new insights from scientists and healthcare experts, these new taps are packed with features that make an important contribution to infection control. Bacteria protect themselves by excreting a protective layer called biofilm. The Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacterium, which is both resistant to antibiotics and associated with serious illnesses, is particularly good at doing this. When water flows faster and with more turbulence, it can reduce the buildup of bacteria like Pseudomonas. Markwik 21 Plus features small bore pipes that increase flow speed to remove biofilm, coupled with a simplified internal design that provides fewer places for biofilm to build up. Dead legs of still water can harbour bacteria, and regulations now state they should be shortened or eliminated where possible. The integrated thermostat in Markwik 21 Plus taps eliminates this problem. Warm water can also collect within the tap. By overriding the maximum temperature blend stop, Markwik 21 Plus uses the hot water supply temperature in the system for the most effective cleanse process. To prevent biofilm attachment, an antimicrobial copper lining is at the end of each Markwik 21 Plus tap. We call this BioGuard. All Markwik 21 Plus taps are compatible with PAL medical filters, so sterilizing grade water can be made available immediately. In the first month after a new facility opens, water systems are at their most vulnerable to pathogen colonization. The Markwik 21 Plus Hydro Purge facility flushes water through the system, so new installations are free of waste and debris. Finally, no matter how well designed a tap is, pathogens and biofilm can build up over time. All Markwik 21 Plus mixers can be fully dismantled for disinfection, with internal components designed to withstand 80 degrees C for washer disinfection and detachable outlets designed to withstand 135 degrees C for autoclaving, which is guaranteed to kill bacteria. The new Contour 21 Plus and Markwik 21 Plus offer powerful new ways to reduce the risk of infection in clinical settings. Introducing the first truly clinical deck tap and basin combination. The Markwik 21 Plus Clinical Tap and Contour 21 Plus Basin bring clinical hygiene to general hospital areas where wall-mounted taps are not an option. The Contour 21 Plus WC range offers rimless technology. Unlike traditional WC rims that provide an ideal habitat for bacteria, the design of the Contour 21 Plus WCs removes this haven for pathogens, and because it takes up less space, the new, smaller injector slot means it's easier to see and easier to clean. Contour 21 Plus is designed so that water is channeled over more of the bowl, helping to keep it cleaner. The Contour 21 Plus, Markwik 21 Plus and Contour 21 Plus WC range. Nobody looks deeper into infection control.